MC. It's the boy Crook, hold up.
I don't think they understand me.
Nah,
I don't think they understand me.
they don't understand me.
I don't think they understand me. Tell me, do you understand me? Do you understand me? I don't know where I would be, or my mind would be, if I never touch mics. Music is my therapy, even though I'll be forever thug life. All I do is try not to be my worst enemy, but it's never done right. Cause I'll be somebody I don't really wanna become, because pressure push fight. Take a rubber band, stretch it out far as you can, stretch a little further in a step. That's how I'm feeling inside, so I might go psycho, thinking about a murderous attack. I can't feel what it took me to another galaxy, but too many and I'm never coming back. Drink that'll put me on my back, so I never have to think about the place I'm really at.
All this time I'm about to snap. I don't know what I should do. My attitude is fuck you. Always in a foggy mood, but hoping you would see through. Yeah. A lot of times I feel alone, cause you don't understand me. Always on your fucking phone. Do you understand me? Put my heart